at the core, shadow work is doing the brave thing of looking inwards. It's looking at all the parts of ourselves that we tend to judge, shame, repress, cringe, but we all have it. It's part of the human experience, because if we don't look at the darker parts of ourselves, or the parts that, again, we run or hide from, how are we ever going to expose or shine more of our natural light? So this is looking at the parts that we judge harshly at ourselves, critique in others. It's that embarrassing, oh my God, I don't want anyone to know I do this. But we're all human and we all have aspects of ourselves. So shadow work is unique to each person. It's a lifelong process. And when you do shadow work, you are unlocking your natural gifts, your unique blueprint essence, your superpower, which humanity in the world needs right now. So I really encourage you to open up yourself and find what works for you. You can work with a coach, you can find tools, just be brave and let's go, because the world needs you exactly as you are.